guys, I just got back from work and some more packages got delivered, so let's go downstairs and pick them up. I think I'm actually gonna bring my little cart because it may actually be a bunch of stuff that got delivered and I don't know if I can carry it in just the bag. This is my cart that I bought and it has come in handy so many times you don't understand. All right, I'm also actually, let me take some scissors down there because I'm probably gonna open the packages downstairs. And good, it looks like nobody is down here besides this guy, but nobody in here, so I can open my packages in peace. Okay. Why did I just look on the floor? This was literally, look how this was. This is how this was in the room. And this is mine. I have this big bag, 3, 4, 5. A bunch of stuff. So much stuff. Let me go put this in the bag. Oops, sorry. I know I have some more stuff. Let's see. Another one.
2号楼，2号楼。对，往 B2 的方向走。对，就那个，就 A 区，就 A 区。
I think I got everything.
A 区。
1000% opening everything down here because it's a lot more stuff than I thought it was. Look at this. I'm leaving all this down here. In this first one, 2 pillow inserts, pillowcases, ribbon. One of the ribbon. Okay, nice. This is like velvet ribbon. This is cute. The candy cane pillow. I was worried about this. I was thinking it was gonna be like this small. Yeah, this is cute to just put on the couch. I like it. Some more ribbon. This is just red satin ribbon. I got 4 of these. Oh, this is nice. This one's nice. This is like another satin ribbon, but it's thicker. Perfect, and these both match. And I think they were from different sellers, so love that for me. This is the sunglass stands. So it did end up coming with a cutting board. Not bad either. Cutting board and the knife. Yeah, it's a good knife package. Oh, these are whatever. I think this is big enough of a plate. I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger than this, but I think that's fine. And then these plates are not the same. They're supposed to be brown and they're white, but whatever. They're gonna be thrown away anyway. And then this one I'm assuming is the what is it called? Drawer storage. I didn't measure my drawer before, so I'm just hoping that this fits. I'm gonna keep this bubble wrap, but I won't keep the box that it came in. Actually, no, I will, because if it's too big, I have to return it. Let me just keep it like that. This is the hooks. I like that they're not that big either. Cool. I like it. Another set of ribbon. Oh, the little hair clip. It is missing. Oh yeah, I get money back for that. This shit is missing an eye. It's not even in the bag. Why did they send this to me? What's wrong with them? This one is cute. It's like a little gingerbread man. But then, why they give me a reindeer with one eye? And the eye is not even in the bag. So they packaged it without the eye. Okay, battery's about to die. See you guys upstairs. Okay, so we're in the kitchen and I'm very curious to see if this is gonna fit. Okay, let's see. I may have to go this way. Oh, it does. It fits. this is what the drawer looks like right now. I bought this from IKEA thinking that it would just be something to have. I fucking hate it. And then I got these from downstairs, one of the stores. They were holding something else, but I ended up just needing organization in here. So girl, it's a mess. So let's organize it real quick. Okay, it doesn't fit perfectly, but it fits nonetheless. Let's open it. I have this putty I got from school that had like stuff hanging up on my door for Halloween. And I'm just gonna put a little bit, it's like sticky tack. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the bottoms of this so it doesn't move around. I think that's good. Cool. I'm gonna organize everything and put it back in here, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Remember before how crazy it looked? Wow, so organized. I have dishes to wash, so my knives will go in there. Still don't know what I'm gonna do about this. I may end up getting one of those like shelves that you can display seasonings on, but I don't really have that many. And I brought these from home, so I'm okay with how this looks right now. Next thing we're gonna do is do the pillows. This is super cute. You can't really tell because it's like, oh, you can tell on camera really well. In person, it's not that easy to see, but it's reindeer and little trees. I love that. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna like alternate. Okay, so battery's about to die, but I think this is how I'm gonna have the pillows for right now. The candy cane, ignore the candy cane. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet. That's it for now. Let me hop in the shower and change into some comfortable clothes, and then we'll reconvene. Okay, last thing is I want to organize my sunglasses. Oh, you gotta screw something in. Luckily, I have a screwdriver. When my dad came to visit me, he told me he was gonna bring my girl kit of tools. And I was like, no, don't bring that. Like, that's unnecessary. He was like, no, I'm just bringing it. You might need it. So glad he did, because if not, I would not have anything to screw this in with. Right. I'm actually happy that this screws in. I just thought it was gonna like piece together. Like, I don't know, but this makes it a little bit more substantial. Okay, that's good. And then I think these just go here. This. Possibly. Let me pull up a picture. Hold on. Okay, so it goes like this. And then this goes like this. And like these are more firm fit than the sidebars. Wow. Much better. That's so much better. Wow. Love that. Okay. Okay, just finished. And I'm sorry. Look how cute this is. I know my hair looks a mess right now, but I just want to get on here and show you the rest of the stuff I got delivered so I can. This looked way bigger on Taobao, but it is what it is. It'll still serve its purpose. And then the cups came. These are nice. I did ask for a refund for the clip. So hopefully well, not a refund. They're gonna send me a replacement. So hopefully I'll get that in soon. And then hopefully this works. I'm trying this out tonight to edit this vlog. But yeah, that is everything that came in. Hopefully some stuff will come in tomorrow. So we'll have another unboxing. But that's it for this vlog. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.